how you can make red haired Garou in gacha online. Well, this is easy, so yeah. So eyes 85, pupils 999, sleeve 100, 1100 and 627. Scarf 54. I use it for this arm. The lag. Hold on. I gotta get through the lag. And I am super tired. Oh, I found it. Okay. Jacket 1200 and 146. Shirt 1200 and 541. That's the muscles here. Okay. And last but not least, we have belt 110. Pants 10, 100 and 441. Oh yeah, let's not forget gloves 7. And you're not finished yet. I think you should know the hair, so yeah, I did show the hair. Wait, no, this hair is different. This hair is different. Oh yeah, the hair is different. Yep. Oh wait, new people don't know. Yeah. Okay. I get it now. Real hair 3,776. Not finished yet. Still haven't did back hair. But I think you guys should know what back hair is. Front hair 226. Back hair is next. And then after back hair you're finished. Wait, no, you're not finished yet. Eyebrows and that blood face and the smile. Okay. Back hair 1,200 and 490. This lag cannot give me a break, and I already missed something. Okay. Face AC 600 and 194. Face AC 1. Face AC 1. 2,500 and 200 and 572. Eyebrows 4,890. And last but not least, we have the smile. Mouth, 1200 and 307. And you're finished. Here's the color for hair, back hair, the bandages. That's. Wait, did I show? Yep, I did show the color. That right eye is different. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. I don't know. Oh well, I just had to. Oh well. I'm just gonna leave it. So, gloves. Here's the color for that. Color for face AC. Oh yeah, let's not forget about shoes. Shoes, 55. And those are just black and you're finished.